Ever since you were a kid, maybe you saved your allowance in a piggy bank. But when it comes to your business, a piggy bank just won't cut it. Today, we're diving into the essential world of business bank accounts and why they are crucial for your entrepreneurial journey. Hello there, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where forming your company is easier than tying your shoelaces. Keeping your personal and business finances separate is critical for several reasons. Professionalism. Having a dedicated business account projects a professional image to clients, investors, and suppliers. It shows you're serious about your business and separates your personal spending. Record keeping. A business account provides a clear record of all your income and expenses, making it easier to track your financial health, prepare for taxes, and manage your cash flow effectively. Building business credit. Using a business account helps establish your business credit history, which is vital for securing future loans and building your company's financial reputation. Now, with so many options available, choosing the right bank can feel overwhelming. Here are some key factors to consider. Business type. Different banks cater to specific industries. Consider if your company needs international services, merchant accounts, or specialized products like business loans. Fees. Compare monthly maintenance fees, transaction fees, and of course, minimum balance requirements to find an account that fits your budget. Features. Look for features that align with your needs, such as online banking, mobile banking, international payments, or integration with accounting software. Now, there are many popular options available to you, but if you decide to procure your bank account using our service, you can not only save yourself a lot of headache, but also get varying degrees of cash back as well. Here's a quick overview of some of the banking partners we work with and what they offer. Barclays. They offer a range of accounts suitable for businesses of all sizes. Along with international banking services and merchant account solutions, Barclays Business Current Account is tailored to your company needs, offers 12 months of free banking, and provides expert advice for newly established businesses. Additionally, Barclays presents a loyalty reward program, simple price, and various services such as Smart Business Dashboard and app, business borrowing, conducting business abroad, foreign accounts, fraud protection, and support for high growth and entrepreneurs. Card One. This digital bank provides a simple and affordable option for startups and small businesses. With low fees and easy online management, they provide 12 months of free business banking with cashback upon forming a company with yourcompanyformations.co.uk. The process is hassle-free, with the ability to open a business current account in less than 24 hours, without the need for branch visits or signatures. Card One Banking provides services via mobile app, online, 24/7 phone support, and even has a UK call centre. Additionally, it offers various features such as no bounced payment charges, no hidden bank charges, free text alerts, and cashback rewards as well. Anna. This AI-powered banking platform focuses on helping small businesses manage their finances efficiently, offering budgeting tools and spending insights. Anna Money is designed for startups, small businesses, and sole traders with features such as a mobile business account that can be opened in less than 10 minutes, an instant invoice generator, and the ability to connect personal and business accounts from other banks. It also offers tax and accounting assistance with automatic reconciliation of accounts. Cash Plus. This is a prepaid business card solution that is ideal for businesses on the go, offering contactless payments and expense management features. The Cash Plus Business Bank Account offers fully regulated and FSCS protected banking services, suitable for freelancers, sole traders, SMEs, and growing businesses. It provides 24/7 online and app access, secure card controls, instant notifications for payments and transfers, as well as the ability to deposit cash at post offices. Additionally, it integrates with accounting apps, offers rewards from trusted brands, and allows for up to 20 business cards, expense tracking, and transaction restriction. Cash Plus is a trading name of Advanced Payment Solutions, APS, and offers a range of additional services, including business call answering and financial services. It's super easy to opt in, and we'll send them all of your information when you sign up, saving you a heap of time. Counting up. This all-in-one accounting and banking platform provides a business account with accounting software, simplifying booking and cash flow management with no subscription fees for the first 3 months, quick sign-up process, high customer ratings and time-saving features such as built-in accounting software. Users can easily create and send invoices, obtain real-time banking insights, and connect with their accountant seamlessly. Again, it's easy to select Counting Up during the company formation process, and it's trusted by over 50,000 sole traders and UK businesses. Counting Up offers practical financial solutions for small business owners. Now, all of these solutions can easily be added to your packages when you use our website, yourcompanyformations.co.uk. And in most cases, the process is automated after you select which service you require, making it easy and simple to get your business account sorted. Opening a business bank account is a smart investment in your entrepreneurial journey. With the right account and the clear separation of finances, you'll be well on your way to professionalism, financial clarity, and building a strong foundation for your business. Do your research, compare different options on our page, and choose the bank that fits your specific needs. Remember, a business bank account can be your powerful partner in achieving your business goals. Thanks for watching.